Hello children, do you want to listen a story? Okay, so today I'm going to tell you a story of Bruno. See, this is Bruno and the name of the story is Bruno, Put Your Toys Away. So now let's see what is in the story. What's in the toy box? What's in the box? Airplane, a big ball and some wooden blocks. Yes, we can see here Bruno is playing with his toys lying around. A ball, a toy aeroplane, toy car, wooden blocks and many more. Even you all play with the toys at home, isn't it? Bruno, Grandma and Grandpa will be here soon. Please put your toys away. Now here we can see Bruno's mama, and what is she telling to Bruno? That your grandma and grandpa will be coming soon. So please put your toys in the box or basket. All right, mummy. Bruno says, all right, I will put them in my basket. Hey Bruno, cartoons are on. Now here we can see Bruno is putting his toys in the basket and suddenly there comes Bruno's brother Bernie and he calls him to watch the cartoon on the TV. Wait for me, Bernie. Bruno is excited and happy as he wants to watch the cartoon. So he left the toys on the floor and went to watch the cartoon. He did not wind up his toys. Boys, Grandma and Grandpa are here. Bruno and Bernie are watching cartoon on the TV and the doorbell rings. And Mama says, Grandma and Grandpa are here. Oh, the boys will love it. We brought you some fresh mountain honey. Now see, Grandpa and Grandma are here and they bought some honey for Bruno and Bernie. So Bruno and Bernie are happy to see their grandma and grandpa. Come and play, Grandpa. Now both of them, Bruno and Bernie, are calling their grandpa to play with them. Oh, what happened? Suddenly, Grandpa slipped from the toy car and fell down. Yes, you can see here, he fell down. Bruno, why didn't you put your toys away like I asked you to? Grandpa could have been seriously hurt. Now see, your mama is angry and she is scolding Bruno for not putting the toys in the basket. Bruno is afraid as his grandpa fell down. I am sorry, Grandpa. Now he is saying sorry to his grandpa. That's all right, Bruno. Next time, remember to put your toys away. Now what Grandpa said to Bruno? That from next time, when you play with the toys, remember to wind up. Oh yes, we can see here now Bruno is putting all his toys in the basket. And winding up your toys is a good habit or a bad habit? Of course, it's a good habit. So children, always remember, after your study or play, you should wind up the things or keep them in their place. So did you enjoy the story? Okay, say bye-bye to Bruno. Bye.